Hello, and welcome to the first in a series of tutorials designed to help you find books and resources that you want and need using the tools available to us at the Guyman Public Library and Art Center. This lesson will focus on the use of the site Fantastic Fiction. Often, customers will come into the library asking for new and upcoming materials in their favorite series by popular authors. Using Fantastic Fiction, we are able to locate new books, upcoming books, and lists of books and the order in which to read them in series. In this tutorial, using the author search, you will determine which books are upcoming in a series, find out which books are included in a particular series and in what order to read them, and you will locate a book in a series. First, access the site by typing fantasticfiction.com in the address bar. At the top of the page, you will find the search bar where you can search by author or by book. Today, we will be searching by author. Enter the author's name in the search bar and click Find. Today, we will use James Patterson as our example. This will send you to the author's page. You will see some info on the author and will find a list of upcoming books labeled with the date of release, format, and series, along with where the book can be found in the series. And here's the information on James Patterson and the list of his new and upcoming books. Today, we will use Red Alert, which is coming out in hardback March of 2018 in Patterson's NYPD Red series. You can see that it's listed as book number 5. We'll scroll down the page to find the NYPD Red series list. It is obvious that James Patterson has written quite a bit of material, so you may have to scroll far to find the list. Here it is. The list shows you what books are included in the series and the order in which they should be read, with Red Alert listed as the 5th book in the series. Now, try a search on your own. Pause the tutorial and look up the book Leverage in Death on J.D. Robb's page, and hit play on the tutorial when you find it. Welcome back. I hope with your own practice you have located Leverage in Death as book 47 in Robb's In Death series. If I scroll down, notice that the book does not have a cover just yet, but it does have labeled that the book will come out in September of 2018 in hardback in the In Death series, and it is book number 47. As we scroll down, we can see the books listed in the In Death series in the number they should be read, with Leverage in Death as number 47 and the most recent that's coming out. One last thing of interest is that Fantastic Fiction lists the author's name and also will list pseudonyms. In this case, J.D. Robb also writes as Nora Roberts. And you can click on the pseudonym and the link will take you to a list of her books underneath that name as well. And you can see here books that have been coming out in her name as Nora Roberts. In this tutorial, you have determined which books are upcoming in a series, found out which books are included in a particular series and in what order to read them, and located a specific book in a series. I hope this will help you with your book finding in the future. Happy hunting!